Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So what am I unboxing today? Is it lifestyle? Is it makeup? Is it jewelry? What am I unboxing today? Of course you already know because you know by the thumbnail. But I'm unboxing a Bizy beauty box. This is a private company. This is a private company and it's run by Stephanie. And she is just awesome. She's sweet, she's busy, but she still takes the time to give you great customer service. And she used to be public and you can just DM her and she would put together a box just for you. Well, she got so busy, she went private. And you can actually get referred to her. There's 3 ways you can get referred to her. And there is Jess, Makeup with Jessica Vargas, and I will leave all these ladies' links below, and Brittany at Brittany Chaos, and Renee at Beauty with Renee. And you could go to any one of their channels and ask to get a referral. And sometimes she's, you know, backed up and it might take a while to get a referral, or sometimes you might just luck out and be able to get a referral. And I've been working with her for a while, and I actually have had this box stashed, and I'm like, what is this box? And then it's like, oh my God, I can't believe I have this stashed because I have another box coming, and that should be coming within the week, but I wanted to get into this one because I want to use some of this stuff. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like me in this video enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, I hope you are excited enough to see what's in my box. So again, you kind of meet with her via DM and tell her what you like, what product lines you like. Do you want skincare? Do you want makeup? Are you looking for lipsticks? What color? So she really gets to know you. And then you tell her how much do you want to spend. And I think this box might have been my $75. I'm like, don't need a whole lot, but with what I need, $75 should cover it all. And if you go over, no biggie. And so let me show you what is in this box. So you couldn't even get a BoxyCharm or any of those boxes for what I have in here. So let's get into it. So she always usually puts, masks in here. So if I get flooded with masks, they can go in a giveaway. But usually they are awesome masks. I don't give them away. So we got Soothe Me Tea Tree by Face Story. We have Face Story Be Bright, Be You. And we have Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid Fusion Sheet Mask. So we got some sheet masks. And then I'm pulling out a palette because it's just like all over. And this is Full Time Eyeshadow Palette Edit 2 by, what's the name of the line? The CC. I can't. Got my glasses here. Hold on, stand by. This is Complex Culture. That's what I wanted to say. So I bet you this palette is beautiful. I mean, they wrap their stuff beautiful on top of how Stephanie packages it. So look at this. Not my nails, look at the palette. Wow. And it tells you how to use these colors. But look at those colors. Wow. I mean, some of them I might not be able to get away with. In some of them, I will. But that is a beautiful palette. And since I don't get like BoxyCharm or Ipsy or any of those, I would never come across this palette. And then the next thing is Beauty Bio Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels. And these must be eye masks. And I go through these like crazy. I get tips from all my YouTubers. They're like, you know, when they wake up in the morning and they're just drinking their coffee, they throw these on for depuffing. So if I have a friend over, I'm like, here, throw these on. They look at me like, are you crazy? It's like, it feels so good. And then another palette. It's a Nomad. And this is Lago Tacoma. So we're going on vacay up here. You get these palettes that have these fun names. It's like you feel like you're on vacation. So it's very pretty packaging. Wow. These are definitely like cruise colors. Now, let me cover this mirror. I would definitely use the top row, and I might use those colors. I would have to watch a video to see how to use this palette, to be honest, because I would, but it is a pretty palette. I do love that top row. So, because I am not a makeup artist, I do watch videos on how to put these on. And of course I have hooded eyes, but that is a beautiful palette. So far I have two palettes. Ooh, Beyond Powder Highlighter. This is, I want to say this was a $75 box. I do have, I think I spent like $140 on the next box because I asked for some special items in there. And of course, I can't open this. I think you need to use your fingernails. And I don't know if I'm opening it backwards. I see hinges. Okay. Well, this is a highlighter, but I can't open it. Oh, I got it open. Wow. Look at that color. And I'm gonna swatch this. This is like a pillow. Look at that color. See, it's like, can you use this under your eyes? Can you use this like on your upper cheekbones? I really like that color. Of course, I'm gonna get the case sturdy. And then I love getting skincare. And this is 111 Skin, Harley St. London. And this is a repair. It's like written in another language, so I don't know. So that's a very good product, and I know it's on the high end, so I'm glad to get that. And then we have Dew of the Gods Clay Date Hydra Activated. Ooh, it's a pink clay mask. So that's what that looks like. Oh, more 111. It's an antioxidant, and is it a toner? Use day and night after cleansing. So it looks like it's a toner, and I love 111. Yep, look at that bottle. That's a nice bottle. And there's more, guys. Don't go anywhere. Grab a cup of coffee. Oh my God, what is this? Is this a lip pencil? Oh, it's an eyeshadow pencil. What a color. Oh, and it's got a sharpener. Okay, that's the color. And I'm going to swatch it. Oh. Okay, I just have to find out where you put that in your eye. Is it like a liner? Can you see that? I don't know. I do love it. It's shiny. Wow. What an awesome box. And then another Complex Culture, and this is a Let Up Concealer, medium to full coverage. Wow. And she very rarely puts concealers or foundations because she likes to match it. And because when I told her I would like to get them, she says it's very rare she gets them because it's hard to match to your skin. So I am excited. Running out of room. So that's what the concealer looks like. It's a little dark, but when in the summer, I tan, you don't even recognize me, so that will be perfect. Liking that. Then we have another, this is a gel liner by ColourPop. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to twist it because I'll break it. Then we have Wonderland Lipstick by Ciate. Ooh, I like Ciate. So can you believe what a great box? Oh my goodness. Look at that packaging. I don't know how to open these things. Wow. Now that's a perfect color. So I'm kind of running out of room. It looks like it goes on 2 different colors. Look at that. Can you see that? Now that's a pretty color. Keeper. Then we have 2 more gel liners. We have a metallic, and this is waterproof. Oh, this is a lip and eye pencil, the purple one. Then we have Champagne Toast, Bath and Body Works. It's a hand gel. Love it carrying those. Ooh. Then Anastasia, and I'm thinking it's a lippy and it'd go perfect with my shirt. More. Pacifica Rainbow Watermelon Vegan Lip Balm. I have a bucket where I keep all those. Then we have Spackle Mist Restore by Laura Geller. When she first came out years ago on, what is it, HSN or QVC, and she used the word spackle, and the only time I had heard that word used before was for repairing walls and stuff. Like, what the hell does spackle mean? Then we have Pore Refining, Watermelon Extract, and Brightening. Wow. And it's by Ciate. Oh, it's a primer. But then I gotta try this. Don't have any more room. Oop. Just want to know how it feels. When a little excessive. Definitely smells like watermelon. So I want to see. I could use what I put on my hand. I could use it on my whole face. I just want to see how it dries. And then we have an N&B Light Leave-In Conditioner, so a hair product. Wow. Spray on washed and towel dried hair. Start at the ends. And I love getting hair products. Thank you, Stephanie. I don't know if I told you that. She could probably see by my hair. Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. Another Ciate. And I'm down to my last item. Bummer. This box was just filled for $75. Look at this. It's Marc Jacobs. Gorgeous. And I'm thinking it is a bronzer, Omega 3 Powder Blush Bronzer Highlight Palette. My God, this is worth the box. So, I don't have a brush on me. This is the blush. This is the bronzer. And this is the highlighter. You probably won't be able to see it on my little bony hand. So I got the blush, the bronzer, and the highlighter. Okay, so I know you probably don't remember, but what was your favorite product? This is going to be difficult because I had several, but I'm going with this last item I opened. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to have to ask her next time for brushes so I can show this. But this was gorgeous. I got, you know, enough eyeliners and lippies here in these fun colors. I'm going to have to learn to play with those. I got this highlighting palette I'm going to play with. I got palettes. And I have definitely some skincare in here. And I can't wait to try the contour or the, you know what I'm trying to say. And these iPads, I got masks. 111 Skincare, really, in a box. So let me know what your favorite item was. Stephanie, I can't thank you enough for this great box. Sorry I unboxed it late. I can't wait to get my next one. I know I'm just crazy. I have to say, these are all the different colors I swatched. Hit that like button. It really helps me out. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you next video.